You always get those couple. Well, I was doing a.
All right, everybody.
A good one.
Here's the
I was running
update for
26
today.
building.
We haven't posted, but if you will look, the brick is now exposed. The windows, oh goodness, the windows are installed. Not quite finished off yet, but installed. I mean, is that a beautiful thing or what?
So, you iron work your fans out.
This is for the heating duct. You can see the ceiling will have the duct worked on it. Here's we took away all the old plaster from this wall to expose the original limestone. So that is gorgeous.
So now,
Here we go, and that means that we'll be able to have a small little wall of drywall here in the corner where a lot of the old plaster will be preserved, so future generations may be able to do something with it. But in the meantime, this will be where there'll be a little bit of a coffee station, hopefully a sink. This will be our reception desk right in here. There's Mr. Pop and Andy Partek, our architect. This is the bathroom. Be all ADA compliant on the main floor. And here will be the main entrance. So they reinstalled the beam across the top. Here are the basement stairs going down. And the second floor stairs going up.
188 couplings a day. My boss
Absolutely wonderful, magnificent work the construction guys are doing. We're going to take one little quick walk up the stairs to see what the second floor is turning out like.
Little fella, there's nothing I can do about it. When we call the yard, they send out whatever's there.
Turn the corner, walk in here. This is where a fire door will be. Had to put the insulation in. It will be covered with drywall, so we now have a record of what it looked like before. There was just too much deterioration between the joint where the walls meet the ceiling to not do it this way. Windows in. Incredible. Gorgeous, beautiful. Alrighty.